Hi guys, Mo here from Action Invest. Quick update on this BRR project that we had on the go. So originally it was going to be a 7-bed, then when we bought it we decided we're going to make it a 4-bedroom family home. A couple of weeks into the project we looked at it and thought, bloody hell, we could get a 6-bedroom HMO here. What we've managed to do, we discussed it with the builders a couple of weeks in and they were like fantastic with us and they said, yeah, we could work this for you. So what we've got coming now is a 4-bedroom, 4 rooms with all with en suites and 2 rooms with 2 separate bathrooms. So we're actually going for a 6-bedroom HMO now, not the 7-bed originally, not the 4-bed family home, but we've managed to get a 6-bed HMO. So the beauty of having the 6-bed HMO is we'll get a really good commercial valuation at the end of it. We'll get a better net return, net profit every month as well. As you can imagine, 6 rooms being rented out compared to 1 house as a single let or service accommodation. We're getting all the fire doors, all the fire regulations, everything's being done to building regs. The builders have been absolutely fantastic. They work with us. It's not costing a lot more money. It's very reasonable, that little bit of extra money that we're going to have to spend on it. But yeah, let me show you around. What can I say? If you've got a great build team with you, you know, they work with us and so on, and we're managing to get a 6-bed HMO. Come and have a look. Let's show you around. So I'll start from out here. We filled a skip up. They wouldn't bloody take it. It's too full apparently. I don't know. I got the best greedy boards in town. So we've ordered another skip. We're going to empty some of that stuff in there. We've got lots of rubble there in the garden to take out and fill skips. So this weekend we're going to help the builders out, like to get dirty, and I'm gonna be filling these skips up, getting these 2 level filled so the skip company can take them away. So guys, this is the kitchen area. We were going to get a 7 grand kitchen for the family home side of things, and this is where we were able to save a bit of money. And obviously now with it being a HMO, this kitchen units and everything that we were going to have an island before. We don't need the island, but he's going to create a little island here, and we managed to save some money here to be able to convert it to the 7-bed. As you can see above is where all the en-suites are above us, and they've done the drain pipes. You know, that's all the soil pipes going across. It's really good to be able to see what's actually under these ceilings. The pressure testing everything to make sure there's no leaks and what have you. As you can imagine, the last thing we want is a leak coming through there. This is great to see what's going on behind the scenes. You know, you see all the pipes and everything, all the electric plug sockets that are coming. Obviously, we're going to have worktop over there. We're going to put the cookers over here, ovens over here, sink over there, and so on. And then obviously seating area along here. For, you know, the seating side of things. Yeah, so this is the main kitchen, and what are we, about 4 weeks in, and this is what it looks like. So this is our room number 1. This is going to have an ensuite in the corner over there. All this needed to be stripped back for the building inspector, no, for the structural engineer. What we realised was when he stripped it was there was a chimney here before in the past that had been taken out, and the chimney had been left on some wood over there. So we're inspecting that to make sure we do the job properly and make sure that the chimney's solid upstairs. And we had to strip all this back for our structural engineer guy. So this one's room number 2, guys. In room number 2 we're going to have an ensuite in that corner over there. We're going to have a bed along here, ensuite there, wardrobes and that there. It's coming on this room. As you can see, that's the stairs going up. Under the stairs, we're going to create the ensuite for this room. So room 1 and room 2 will both have en-suites, and as you can imagine, when they have en-suites, you achieve that better rental income as well. And also these two down here, if my HMO isn't full, then these two can always be available and used for SA use, for example. We know in Wigan Town Centre there's about 500 odd apartments being built, so hopefully we should have that contractor market available to us. We never know, we might, as soon as we completed it, we might use the whole building, all 6 rooms for the contractor market SA use. We haven't decided which way we're going to go with that side of things yet, but as you can imagine, when you do a project like this, you want to be able to maximize your rental income and you know, achieve the best return. So that's an option by having it in HMO regulations, all the fire work and everything done properly. We're able to rent it out on the service accommodation basis as well. So over here we changed the direction of the stairs. The stairs were going this way previously, and the builder has changed the direction. We made sure we went this way, so the space upstairs works, and we're getting more rooms and more room to be able to create better living space. So the builder's absolutely brilliant. He's actually built these himself, which is really good of him, to again save money in buying a set of stairs and doing it that way. As you can imagine, the budget that we were on, with us changing it over, the builder working with us was absolutely fantastic. He said, I'll build them myself and make sure we try and work it in the budget. So these are absolutely brilliant, these stairs, the way he's done it. Okay, so come up guys, and we're gonna go into room number 3. This is room number 3 for us. Room number 3 hasn't got an ensuite, but it's a nice, spacious room. There's a bathroom just there for room number 3, and as you can imagine, it's got his own bathroom, so it's still Bruce's bonus. They're not ensuite, but it's got his own bathroom. And in the building, we're actually having one of the bathrooms with a bath. So, you know, sometimes females like baths, and males, people like baths, don't they? So we've got that option in the building, which is beautiful. They're not all just showers, you see. So there is one bathroom with a bath. So guys, come in. This is room number 4. Again, he's put the false ceiling in, he's boarded it all up, he's got the ensuite ready. Come and have a look at this. He's actually got a toilet ready as well here. So he's put the toilet in. He's saying it's not the right one because he wants it a bit more flush at the back. So apparently you can get a different design one that sits better. As you can imagine, you've got to change that, haven't you? These are the things that you've got to do. The builder's absolutely brilliant because he's got that knowledge, and he wants to make sure that it all looks good. So this is going to be the ensuite. And have a nice shower here, wash basin over there, toilet there. Really good, decent room. You know, even if some en-suites are really tight, this ain't tight. It all feels right, feels good. As you can see, he's boarded the ceiling and everything. Fire door casing, he's put fire door casing in. Obviously, as a HMO to regulations, you've got to have the right fire door casings and so on. And yeah, that's just gone in today. So he's doing everything properly. So guys, over here, this section is going to be the bathroom. As you can see, you just remember downstairs in the kitchen, all the pipe work coming. It was for the ensuite over there, the toilet over there, another toilet's going to be here. We're going to have a bath here. We're going to have a hand basin wash sink here. Decent sized bathroom. So guys, come and check out room number 5. It's a bit of an odd shape, room number 5, but the window, the whole reason we changed the stair direction was to get the room right, so it's got a window. Previously, when we bought this house, it was a 3-stroke 4-bedroom, and some of the rooms didn't have a window. This was the hallway, so we changed the stairs in that direction. The stairs used to be coming up here, so that we can make this into a room. Again, decent size. This is not going to have an ensuite, but it's a decent size room for somebody to live in. The bathroom for this is downstairs. We know it's a bit of a trek downstairs to go to the bathroom, but they have their own individual bathroom. So, coming to the final part of the house, this is bedroom number 6. So this is quite interesting. Again, decent size. You can get a double bed in there and have the walkway. We're going to put a slidey door for this one. With it being a bathroom, it doesn't have to be a fire door and so on. And we'll get a decent sized shower in there, a decent toilet, hand wash basin, slidey door. Well, we're not opening a door for the space. Slidey door makes this room quite decent. Over there, that side, we'll put the wardrobes, and obviously we can put the telly there, so anybody, you know, living in this space, they've got plenty of space for them to live in. We're really good that we're really lucky that we're working with great builders who have worked with us. As you can imagine, it'd piss anybody off if you changed your mind a couple of weeks into the project, but they work with us, which is absolutely a blessing in a way. And yeah, look forward to. We'll share another video with the updates of where we're getting up to. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, tell all your friends, and we'll see you on the next video.